Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am your host and teacher Faye. Today we are going to cover a different branch in the family lesson. Last week I posted family part 1. This week we're gonna talk about family part 2. Parents, maman, papa, ensemble fait parents. Mother and father together are the parents. Parents, Timoun, children. And pitit, my child. Ou bien pitit? Do you have any kids? Ça c'est petite moi. That's my child. Ti-fille, little girl. Ti-fille. Fille in general means girl. Ti-fille means little girl. So Ti-gason, little boy. Ti-gason, little boy. Pitit gason, my son. Petite fille, my daughter. Got it? Mari in Haitian Creole means husband. Mari, husband. We're not talking about the name Mari. There are some people whose names that are Mary. We use it in any context. The context of the sentence, you're gonna know if they are talking about a name in general or if they are talking about the husband. So if there is a Mari, of course there is a Madanm. Madanm Wife. Mari at Madanm. Husbands and wife. Madanm at Mari. If you have a question, always ask in the comment below. I will make time to answer you. Okay? Have a good day now. Allez.